Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, guys, NSSC. So we saw this one in the pre-market, and it was something to do with accounting irregularities, or they had to restate their accounting, their numbers, and all that. I guess they I don't know. August 28th actually is when they are going to be releasing earnings. But anyway, never a good sign when you see a PR that they've had to either restate earnings or do something that they put out before. So RAI actually had this one also, 28,318 to short. I'm not saying it was super easy because it chopped around a lot, but right now 2157 from 2318. It did chop around a lot. I was in this actually I was in this in the pre-market, and when the market opened, I got into this one also, and but unfortunately it popped right back up. But I made pretty good money on it. But it is now down here, and this is not an all-time low. Be interesting to see what happens with this one yesterday. Does it ever rebound at all, or does it continue down? All right, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.